Good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the videos, check out all the content. Let me know what you want to see in the future. Join the Discord if you want, link is below. And let's get straight into this one. So we've got a New Balance box, obviously standard New Balance box, grey and grey, whatever, different shades, whatever you want to call it. New Balance, very nice having the handle. I'm giving away what the shoe is already, but yeah, straight on to the label. Their label never makes sense to me, to be honest. The lack of information all over. So M2002R USA 11 medium moyen, which apparently is not the colorway. 10.5 UK, 45 Europe. Bad label if I'm honest, but amazing shoes. So let's get straight into this one. Bam. So we've got it's called Sandstone colorway. I'm just gonna call them beige. There's different colors or different names for these colors, like taupe and all this, but I'm not getting into all that technical stuff. Beige, they're beige to me. Sandstone, beige. Quickly, let's run through the colors. Sole, we got a beige sole, then a bit of white in between. It says New Balance on the bottom, and then we've got a little plastic. Then what the 2002R is known for, which is this back type shocks rip-off type of thing, whatever you want to call it. Just there. These are on other sneakers too. 1906R or something like that. There's different ones. I need to brush up on my New Balance skills, to be honest. Midsole all white except for this bit, which says NRG, so that's fine. That's fine, of course it's fine. Yeah, in red. Could have been a different color, could have not been on there. Yeah, a bit odd. We've got all suede on the back, this suede in that beige colorway. Then we've got leather with the 202R. That detail is so nice, and that's a nice soft leather, to be honest. We've got some mesh, more suede. Then we've got like a hairy suede there underneath. So if you can see, two suedes, one's hairy, one's not. More of that mesh, that leather again. Just look at the texture on that leather. Oh man. New Balance, I love the materials you use, New Balance. Then same suede around the toe box. We've got a little piece of leather there, more leather. And on the inside, same sort of thing. So mesh, suede, and all that stuff. New Balance loves suede. Lace loops, obviously not anything special because they like built into the shoe. We've got bottom, we've got a nice bit of like tan leather there with the N for New Balance. Laces, we've got a standard pair of laces and then a bit of leather again on the tongue. Hairy suede on the main tongue, and then New Balance running with a cork back, or on the cork material. It's just like printed on or worded on. That's like a recycled cork. That cork also makes an appearance on the back. I'm not too fussed about the cork. I think it would look better if it didn't have the cork, but that's just my opinion. There are a bit of information there. So look, it does say the upper is made of 50% or more recycled content and or leather that supports more responsible manufacturing through the leather warding group. Sole, at least one material on the midsole outsole is 3% bio-based or 5% recycled cotton. Learn more about the sustainability. So a lot of companies are trying to become sustainable and stuff, whatever, use recycled materials. This does not look like a 50% or more recycled shoe, which I'm really happy about, because you know when Nike have a recycled shoe, they make sure you know it's recycled. This just looks like a normal release. Beautiful shoe, if I'm honest. I really love this colorway. It looks amazing on foot. Can't wait to pair this with different outfits. 10 out of 10 for me. That was a bit of a fail, but yeah, people, let me know what you think about this buttery suede lovely pair. And yeah, check out all the other content. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.